Hello everyone, welcome to the SmartPost Show Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to add Ajax Live filter to the different layouts. I have created a few demos with the Ajax Live filters as you are watching in the screen now. Make sure that SmartPost Show Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click Manage Shows and then click Add New to create a new show and give it a title. As you can see, there are 8 different layout presets to showcase your post. I am going to show you how you can add Ajax Live filter to these layouts. By default, layout preset is selected as Carousel. Below that, you'll find several configuration tabs. Initially, I am in the filter content configuration tab. Scroll down at the bottom of the page and navigate to the filter by option. You can add Ajax Live filter with taxonomy, sort by, and keyword. Let me show you this one by one. Let's select taxonomy and select a taxonomy from category, post tag, and post format. I am selecting category. Now let's see how the posts are showing in the carousel layout. Click show preview and you can see this is how the posts are showing in the carousel layout. Below the choose term fields, you'll find an option named add to Ajax Live filter, which is the topic of today. Check the box and update the preview to see the live filter buttons in the carousel layout. So those are the Ajax Live filter buttons. All the categories are showing in the live filter. This is happening because I leave the choose term fields empty. Now click on the category to filter your post. So this is how it works. If you want to set a few particular category in your Ajax Live filter, then choose the category terms from here. I'm going to select a few random one. Now update the preview and you can see only the selected categories are showing in the Ajax Live filter buttons. Go back to the Ajax Live filter settings and you will find a few related properties to be configured. First one is filter type. You have already seen the button view. Let's select drop down and update the preview. You can see filter buttons are showing as a drop down. Now if I select radio and update the preview, then you can see the filter buttons are showing as a radio button. And last one is checkbox. Update the preview. So those are the checkbox. Let's get back to the button view. Configure the button color, label, rename all text, hide empty terms, show post count, and alignment from here. You can use multiple live filter at a time. I have already shown you the process of selecting the Ajax Live filter. Similarly, check the sort by from here and check add to live filter. Configure filter type, order by, label, and alignment. I'm going to select order by terms as ID, title, and date. Now update the preview and you can see the order by live filter buttons are showing in a drop down below the category live filter buttons. Suppose you want to show the business post and order them as title. So business posts are showing according to the title order but descending wise. If you want, you can set the descending and ascending in the Ajax Live filter to filter them live. Now if I select business, then title, then ascending, then you can see the order has been changed. Finally, you can add a keyword search field as Ajax Live filter. So check the keyword box and click on add to live filter. Set the label if you want to set any, then set the alignment. Now update the preview, then you can see the keyword Ajax search field is showing here. If you search any post, then it will sort it out. That's all about configuring the Ajax Live filter buttons. Now let's see how the Ajax Live filter buttons shows in different layouts. Select grid layout and keep only the taxonomy and keyword Ajax Live filter. Remove the sort by. Update the preview, then you can see the Ajax Live filters buttons are showing in a grid layout. Now if I select list and update the preview, then you can see the Ajax Live filter buttons are showing in a list layout. Following the same process, you can display the Ajax Live filter buttons in timeline, zigzag, accordion, and large with small layout. I hope you have got a clear idea of configuring and displaying the Ajax Live filter buttons for different layouts. In the next video, I will come up with another attractive feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.